So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to install Spectrum TV app on TCL Smart TV, supported models and workaround and fix. So how to install Spectrum TV on Smart TV? On TV App Store, search for Play Store for the Spectrum TV app and install it directly. If the app isn't listed, access Spectrum via our TV browser at watch.spectrum.net or cast from your own phone using the Spectrum TV app. For full support, connect an external device like Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV or Chromecast and install the Spectrum TV app there. So the method 1 is direct installation. Open the App Store or app selection on the TV, Android TV, Google TV, Google Play Store or Roku TV, Roku Channel Store, in Samsung TV, Samsung Smart Hub, in LG TV, LG Content Store and Amazon Fire TV app section. Search for Spectrum TV and select the app. Then click install. After the successful installation, open the Spectrum TV app, then select sign in. Enter your Spectrum username and password, then press sign in. Ensure your TCL device runs the latest Google TV OS, Android based, and is connected to Wi-Fi. Have your Spectrum username and password or activation code ready for spectrum.net. Method 2, via web browser. Some regions or models may not show the app. If Spectrum TV app is not available on Play Store, cast from your phone. Stream content to your TV even if the app isn't directly supported. Install Spectrum TV app on your Android phone. Make sure TV and phones are on same Wi-Fi. Open the screen mirroring app, tap the cast icon, select your TCL Google TV from available list. Method 2, using web browser. Turn on your TCL Google TV. Then step 1, install web browser. Open apps, then go to Google Play Store. Search for TV Bro and then select the browser, click install. Open Spectrum website. Launch the install browser. In the address bar, type spectrumwatch.net. Press enter. Sign in to your account. Click sign in. Enter your Spectrum username and password. Select sign in. After login, you can watch live TV action on demand content and view your DVR if included in your plan. So the method 4 is connect external device. If the app isn't available directly on your Google TV, use a supported streaming device to access the Spectrum TV app, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV and Google Chromecast. Step 1 is to connect. Connect the streaming device. Plug the device into your TV's HDMI port, then connect the power adapter. Then switch your TV input to the correct HDMI source. Step 2, complete device setup. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in or create the required account, Roku, Amazon, Apple and finish on-screen setup instruction. Step 3, install Spectrum TV app. Open the device app store, then channel store, search for Spectrum TV, select the app, click install. Step 4, sign in and start watching. Open the Spectrum TV app, enter Spectrum username and password, start streaming live TV or on-demand content. Thank you.